Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mid number without rounding. We'll explore simple yet effective strategies to pinpoint the exact middle value within any set of numbers. This approach ensures precision, preserving the original data's integrity. Whether you are working with a small or large collection of figures, these methods will help you accurately determine the central point without any estimation or alteration. Let's dive in and master this essential skill. When you have an odd number of elements in your dataset, finding the middle number is quite straightforward. First, arrange all your numbers from smallest to largest. Then, simply count to find the exact center. For example, in a set of 5 numbers, the third number will be your middle value. This method provides a clear, unambiguous result, giving you the true median without any need for calculations beyond sorting and counting. It's a direct and accurate approach. For data sets containing an even number of elements, the process involves a small extra step. After sorting your numbers from smallest to largest, you will find 2 numbers occupying the middle positions. To determine the true middle value, you must calculate the average of these 2 central figures. For instance, with 10 numbers, you would average the 5th and 6th numbers. This calculation gives you the exact midpoint, which might be a decimal, ensuring no rounding occurs. Mastering the identification of the middle number without rounding is a valuable skill for data analysis. Remember to always begin by sorting your data, whether it's a small list of 3 numbers or a larger collection of 20. Then, apply the appropriate method, direct selection for odd counts or averaging the 2 central values for even counts. This ensures you always arrive at the most accurate and precise middle number, preserving the integrity of your data. Keep practicing for perfect precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.